Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Ant and the Grasshopper. A moral story: work hard all the year round. During winter, the ants were drying the grain they had collected over the past few days. They had gone everywhere to find the grain and had done a lot of hard work. A hungry grasshopper saw them. He did not have any food to eat. Seeing the grain, his mouth filled with saliva. He had been playing his guitar in the green field and singing his songs. He said to the ants, "Have pity on me. Please give me some food. I am very hungry." One ant said, "Why didn't you store food in summer? That way you would have had plenty for the winter." The grasshopper replied, "Oh, I was so busy singing and playing my guitar that I had no time." The ant said, "If you were silly enough to sing all summer, you should now dance without any food all winter." The grasshopper went away sadly.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.